Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking the hood latch of the Miata. I'm actually trying to fix that. It's been an issue since I got the car. I've gotten to a point where it actually could close at the secondary position where it's still in lock, but I can't get it to sit properly flushed and lock into place, so I have to check the hood latch. Hopefully I can get that fixed. I think it's the spring inside, so I'm gonna double check the spring and hopefully we'll get this fixed today. So let's get to it.
Say hi to our subscribers. So as you can see, guys, it actually is in the secondary lock position where when you just hit the open clip, the open lever, it actually opens up. So when I close it, you can hear the spring, but it's not flushed down all the way. I'll show you. There you go. See, it's not seated in. So as I was pulling the radiator support, this is the result of where the hood latch is, and it can actually still lock with at that point where the lever is keeping it in place. But I'm going to look more into it, and maybe the spring that's inside the hood latch, so I'm gonna try to get that fixed. So let's do this. Number 10, guys. So here it is, guys. Here's the hood latch. And it opens up. It's just this piece right here. So this is what allows the hood to come into here and lock into place. So something wrong with the spring right here. To double check. So I took the spring, you see right here, the spring was connected to the latch piece right here. Pull on the wire. See, the only thing that got pushed in the past was just the radiator support. The hood latch, I believe the pieces here, it got pushed in a little bit because it looks like a little bit uneven. Kind of messed up the functionality of the main lock latch here. So what I did was just, like I told you, I just took the spring off right from here with a plier, and then I just got a flat head and I kind of just chiseled my way to getting this back to where it should be, I guess, on the functioning side. Hopefully this works. Doesn't hurt to try. Well, before it wasn't able to do that at all. So I'm hoping that resolves the issue. Once I pull this goes like that. So I'm thinking see, that locks into place. So I'm thinking that goes in, and then there it locks like that. So when you pull it, it should be like that. Then the hood, what do you call it? The hood latch part that's on the hood, it stays in here into the second level where you would pull this lever so that it opens. The first one is right there. So I'm gonna get the spring back. Okay. The spring should now function to allowing the metal piece from the hood to lock in securely to the main latch right here, main lock piece. Hopefully this will work. So I think I fixed it, guys. So here goes nothing, guys. Let's see if it sits flushed. So I put the latch back. I'm gonna see if the hood is going to seat in and lock properly. Then see if the hood seats flushed. So here goes. Looks like it did, guys. Let's see. Yeah, check it out, guys. It actually, where is that? Oh, there you go. So that piece actually sat in. So we're golden. Hell yeah. We did it, guys. Worked. So now it's nicely flushed. Awesome, look at that. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So to open it, I'm gonna pull the wire here. That is a good sign. That's a good sign. Oh, there you go. How about that? Hell yeah. We did it. We fixed it, guys. We did it. Hell yeah. It works. And that's how you fix the hood latch on the Miata. So we did it, guys. We fixed the hood latch on the Miata, and now it actually locks into place. So it took some time. Make sure, guys, that the spring is functioning properly. Make sure you check both springs, and make sure you also check the levers. Make sure it's not being pushed in. But what I did was, I made sure that the lever pieces weren't rubbing, and I was using a flat head to kind of loosen everything. I placed it back, and then now the hood works. So that's something good that we just knocked out. So I'm pretty pleased and happy to see that we got something accomplished today. So but yeah, guys, there's still more work to do. It's been a fun experience getting this car restored, and I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs that we are contributing to the YouTube community. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video and this video helped you guys who are facing that hood latch issue with Miata, smash that like button, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that bell icon for our upcoming notifications on our YouTube channel. And if you guys haven't yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Big shout outs to our new subscribers and to all of our current subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. We will bring you more vlogs, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.